No matter how old or young, people connect to multiple Wi-Fi networks throughout the day, either at school or your co-working office. As soon as you connect to a public Wi-Fi network, your personal information is in danger. You can be doing something as harmless as browsing through your social media accounts or online bank, and all of that information could be in danger. Passwords, dates, amounts, all of it could fall into the wrong hands if you're not careful. Why gamble? Play it safe with RusVPN, the security features of the future today. Download RusVPN to either your phone, laptop, or table, and enjoy surfing the web knowing that all of your information is encrypted as long as you have RusVPN on. The bad guys do not stand a chance with RusVPN on your device. We here at RusVPN value our clients' privacy, and no matter what files or accounts you open up while using any of your electronic devices, rest assured that RusVPN has your back. Forget about traffic restrictions and low internet speeds. All of that doesn't exist with us. Thanks to a team of highly qualified professionals and the most high-tech technologies around, we have managed to develop a unique service with which no other VPN services can even stand close to quality-wise. Install RusVPN after this video for the best cybersecurity available for civil use for an affordable price.